There are only so many times you can watch your trains go around in a circle, or oval, before you'll eventually decide to take the leap to build a more interesting layout with a more functional track configuration. Everyone has to start somewhere. Usually a simple oval layout is the easiest and cheapest solution until you eventually get bitten by the model railroading bug. That's when you'll decide to build that dream layout that's been floating around in your head for some time. The idea may have come from a particularly interesting piece in a magazine, or something you saw at a model train exhibition. Now you have changed from a toy train owner to a real model railroader.